Whether you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, parent, or you're looking for a flexible work arrangement, this video is going to equip you with the necessary knowledge and resources to embark on a successful data entry work from home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Fumike. On this channel, I create content around business ideas, how to start a business with or without capital, and other side hustle ideas. My goal on this channel is to provide you with passive income ideas, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. If any of this resonates with you, please come on board, smash the subscribe button to join the team today. Without further ado, let's dive into the topic for today. In today's digital age, the demand for remote job opportunities has increased significantly. One of the popular options is data entry work from home. In today's video, I'll be providing a comprehensive guide to understanding and pursuing data entry jobs from home. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, parent, or you're looking for a flexible work arrangement, this video is going to equip you with the necessary knowledge and resources to embark on a successful data entry work from home. So first thing first, what is data entry? Data entry involves the inputting of information into computer systems or databases. It includes tasks such as typing, transcribing, organizing, and formatting data. Data entry professionals play a crucial role in maintaining accurate and up-to-date data, which are vital for businesses across various niches. Here are some of the advantages of data entry work from home. Working from home as a data entry clerk, officer, or professional offers various benefits. The first advantage is flexibility. You have the freedom to set your own schedule and work at your preferred hours. Number two, work-life balance. Data entry job allows you to spend more time with your family and pursue personal interests. Number three, transportation cost savings. The fact that you're working from the comfort of your home saves you so much from transportation costs. Number four, reduce stress. You get to work from the comfort of your home. You don't have to worry about entering traffic, especially Lagos traffic. You don't get to experience all of that. So it means you're working at a very relaxed pace and also in a healthy environment. So what are the skills required for data entry work from home? While data entry might seem straightforward, there are some very important skills you need to have. Number one, typing speed and accuracy. A fast typing speed with accuracy is crucial for data entry professionals. Number two, attention to details. Paying attention to small details ensures accuracy in data input and reduces errors. Third one is time management. Effectively managing your time allows you to meet deadlines and increases productivity. The next one is computer literacy. You need to be proficient in using spreadsheets, word processor, and other data entry tools. The next skill is organizational skills. Being organized helps in managing volumes of data and maintaining records efficiently. So what do you need to start your data entry work from home? One, you need a dedicated space. This can be any part of your home that is silent and free from noises and distractions. You need to also invest in a comfortable chair and desk. You also need proper lighting in that dedicated space. You can make that section of your house or your room a workspace. Next thing you'll be needing is a reliable internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to perform online data entry tasks. Number three, equipment and software. You need to get the necessary equipment such as a computer, a mouse, a keyboard, and also data entry softwares you'll be using. The next step is how to find legitimate data entry work opportunities. So you can get data entry work opportunities from different freelancing websites such as freelancer.com, Upwork, Fiverr, and so on and so forth. The next place you can get data entry work opportunities is from company websites. You can also visit different company websites to see their vacancies around data entry work. The fourth one is networking. Leverage on your professional network to discover potential data entry work opportunities. When it comes to working from home or anything that has to do with online, there are different things you need to make sure of so you don't fall victim of scams, of online scams. I'll be sharing some tips on how to navigate this. Number one, research and verify. Thoroughly research any company or any job posting before committing. So for example, on freelancer.com, I know that whenever I look at job postings, I see that there are some companies who post and they are not even verified. They don't have a verified profile. They have not deposited a little amount to confirm their seriousness. Please always look out for that. Always make sure you check the profile of those posting those opportunities on any site you'll be working on. Make sure that their profiles are verified on those platforms. Number two, request feedback and reviews. Seek feedback from other professionals to validate the legitimacy of any job opportunity. Number three, it is very important to trust your instincts. Anything that seems too good to be true cannot be true. Most likely it is not always true. I'll be sharing some tips as well to enhance efficiency. To boost your data entry efficiency, you need to consider the following tips. Number one, practice touch typing. It's very important to enhance your typing skills through touch typing exercises. Number two, use keyboard shortcuts. Learn how to utilize keyboard shortcuts to speed up your data entry tasks. Number three, create templates. Develop templates for repetitive data entry tasks. This is going to save you a whole lot of time. The next one is automate processes. Utilize automation tools to streamline certain data entry processes. As a data entry professional or officer or clerk, you need to be very conversant with some tools or software. The first important tool you need to familiarize yourself with is Microsoft Excel. This is a powerful spreadsheet tool for organizing and managing data effectively. The second tool is Google Sheets. This is a cloud-based alternative to Microsoft Excel. It allows collaboration with remote teams. The next one is data entry software. You need to explore specialized data entry software streamlined to eliminate the input process. The next one is the OCR technology. This is the optical character recognition software, and it can automate data entry from physical documents. Those are the important tools you need to familiarize yourself with before starting your data entry work. The next subheading is time management skills for data entry professionals. Effective time management is crucial for this kind of job. The following tips will help you manage your time effectively. Number one, create a schedule. Plan your work day by allocating specific time slots for different tasks. Number two, set priorities. Prioritize tasks based on deadlines and importance. The third one is avoid distractions. Minimize distractions by creating a dedicated work environment and establishing boundaries. The next point is take regular breaks. Breaks can help you maintain focus and prevent burnout. The next point is how to build a professional profile as a data entry professional. Building a professional profile enhances your credibility. Number one, update your resume. You need to tailor your resume to highlight relevant data entry skills and experiences. The next one, create an online portfolio. Showcase your data entry work and skills through online portfolio or websites. The third one, obtain certifications. Pursue relevant certifications to demonstrate your expertise and commitment for this field. The next point is networking and skill development. Networking and skill development are very important for career growth. One of the ways to network and improve your skill is by joining professional associations. Participate in data entry or administrative professionals association to expand your network. Number two, attend workshops and webinars. You need to stay updated with the latest trends through workshops and webinars. Number three, continuous learning. You need to engage in self-study and online courses to enhance your data entry skill. The next point we'll be talking about is payment and compensation. It's very important to have an idea of how much to get paid so you do not shortchange yourself. So there are different compensation structures, and it is very important to select the one that best works for you or the one that works for the kind of companies you'll be working with. Some data entry job offers an hourly rate, which could vary based on your expertise and number of years of experience. The next payment plan is piece rate payment. Certain jobs or projects may pay based on numbers of entries or tasks completed. Also, there are different payment methods, and it's very important to clarify the kind of payment method your client or company uses. Some companies or clients pay through PayPal, bank transfer, or other payment platforms. When working as a freelancer, it's very important to create professional invoices to ensure timely payments. The following challenges have been associated with work from home jobs, which I'll be going through shortly. Number one, monotony. The repetitive nature of data entry jobs can become monotonous over time. The next one is technical issues. Dealing with computer glitching or internet connectivity problems can hamper productivity. The next one is isolation. Working from home has this ability to make you become isolated from the outside work because you get to work from home. You get to do most of your tasks from home. So it's very important to seek opportunities to communicate or network with other professionals in your field. The next one is distractions. Avoiding distractions from home can be very challenging, especially when you have kids around you or you have people depending on you. So you need to find strategies that work best for you on how to avoid these distractions. Just look for something that works for you and stick with it. One thing I'm very sure of is that data entry work from home provides individuals with a reliable and rewarding career option. By developing the necessary skills, setting up an efficient home office, fees, and finding legitimate job opportunities, you can embark on a successful data entry journey. Remember to prioritize your time, continuously improving your skills, and maintain a healthy work-life balance to thrive in this field. What is the average salary scale for data entry professionals? Salaries for data entry professionals depends on various factors such as experience, location, and complexity of tasks. If you're looking for where to take certifications, or you just want to brush up your skill a bit and have a certificate to back up your experience, you can take up courses, you can take up short courses on Udemy or Coursera. In fact, there are free courses on Coursera. I think there was a time I came across a free course on data entry. So these are courses you can, short courses you can take, and also have maybe a certification to back up these experiences or skills. Thank you so much for watching. We've come to the end of this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you're into data entry, please let me know in the comment section. Also like, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos on this channel on how to start a business with or without capital, and other side also you can start from home or from the comfort of wherever you are. If you have any video in mind you want me to talk about, or you want me to create content on, please drop suggestions for me in the comment section. Till I come your way next time, catch you in the comment section and in other videos on this channel. Also follow me up on Instagram at Fumike_Afolabomi. Till I come your way next time, I love you all. Continue thriving.